Day 56 of Bible Bites. Moses continues his farewell address with powerful reminders of God's faithfulness and clear commands for the future. We are in Deuteronomy 10 to 12, Psalm 56, and Proverbs 13:10 to 25. Let's hear more of Moses' heart for the next generation. Quick prayer. God, thank you for second chances and your faithful love. Help us fear you and walk in your ways. Amen. Deuteronomy 10. Moses recounts how God told him to carve 2 new stone tablets after he broke the first ones because of the golden calf. God also set apart the tribe of Levi to carry the ark and serve before him. Moses reminds the people, "What does the Lord your God require of you? To fear the Lord your God, to walk in obedience to him, to love him, to serve the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul, and to observe the Lord's commands and decrees." Deuteronomy 11. Moses urges them to love and obey God so they can possess the land. He reminds them of the miracles they saw in Egypt and the wilderness. Obedience brings blessing, rain, harvests, strength. Disobedience brings curse. He commands them to fix God's words on their hearts, teach them to their children, and write them on doorposts and gates. Deuteronomy 12. When they enter the land, they must destroy all the places of idol worship. They are to worship only at the place God chooses. They must not worship like the nations around them. Moses warns them not to add to or take away from God's commands. Psalm 56. When I am afraid, I put my trust in you, in God, whose word I praise. In God I trust and am not afraid. What can mere mortals do to me? Proverbs 13:10 to 25. Where there is strife, there is pride, but wisdom is found in those who take advice. The teaching of the wise is a fountain of life. A wise son brings joy to his father, but a foolish man despises his mother's discipline. Moses is preparing the people for life in the land. The heart of the law is loving and fearing God with total devotion. Prosperity and blessing are directly tied to obedience. The command to destroy idols shows they must make a clean break from the past. Psalm 56 is a powerful declaration of trust in the middle of fear. Proverbs 13 continues highlighting the results of wisdom versus foolishness. Real-life comparison. Fear God and walk in his ways equals making God the center of everything, not just a part of our life. Destroying idol worship sites equals removing anything that competes with God for our devotion. Social media, money, relationships, habits. Psalm 56 equals choosing trust over fear when facing real threats or anxiety. Proverbs 13 equals pride causes fights, while taking advice brings wisdom and joy to parents. Today, identify one idol in your life that you need to tear down. When you feel afraid or anxious, declare Psalm 56. In God I trust and am not afraid. Show love for God today by obeying one specific command. What's one thing competing with God for first place in your life? Comment. Day 56. Love God fully, fear him, and remove anything that takes his place. Tomorrow Moses continues his warnings. Subscribe, share, see you tomorrow.